back to my channel. My name is Robertina if you're new here, and today I'm really excited to share with you our empty house tour. Remember I told you that we were going to move out, and this was our lovely gem. I call it a gem because it's such a beautiful house, and I really trusted God for this one. All right, so what you're seeing here is the outdoor side of the house. It could be a veranda. It's a place where I normally, at the moment, normally it's where I do my hair, my nails, when I have house calls. It's a place that I can really transform with plants, flowers, and all that. So it's a nice veranda, very spacious, very good for the kids to play in. Yeah, and that's what you see once you get to the house. All right, and this is our main entrance. The door could be bigger, but we get what we get and we don't complain. Down there is my carpet, which I had given out to be washed, ready to come into this house. All right, so this is the living room. It has good lighting, a high ceiling, which I really enjoy, and it is so spacious. Over there we have the dining area, and I cannot wait to furnish this place with you guys little by little. When I moved in, I realized that I need to purchase a lot of things like console tables, TV stands, dining tables, and all that. All right, so from the living room, as you come to the side, this is where you find the master bedroom. A really, really big room, very spacious. I love the painting on the wall. Maybe the phone camera is not doing it justice, but it is so beautiful when you look at it with raw eyes. All right, it's so beautiful. And there, that's where you see that's the entrance door to the bedroom. And on this side, we have, on the left and right side, we have closets, cabinets for storing clothes. You can easily separate your husband's clothes, your children's clothes, your own clothes. You have a vanity area right there, but I'm currently using these drawers for my newborn's clothes. Remember in my previous video where I was putting all of my baby stuff in a suitcase? Yeah, so God changed all of that. So we're here. And as you proceed, you can see these beautiful long wardrobes, all right, and or rather closets. And then when you get in there, you have a toilet and bathroom area, which is so spacious, and it has these terrazzo floors, which we will talk about in another video. That's me over there, already I think like 1 month after giving birth. Yes, and that's the bathroom for this master bedroom. I really love that it is spacious. I've always loved space. All right, so this was really good for us, and the fact that it is spacious, I think we deserve it. We have struggled in a small house for a long time, and we never complained. We took each day at a time, and we never ever complained. All right, so we now have a dining space, a big and spacious kitchen, as we are walking into right now. That's the kitchen. It's quite spacious, so much that you can't imagine, you can't exhaust the things you can do in this kitchen, at least for me. All right, I have huge working counters, I have a pantry, I have this isolated area where I can do storage, more windows, a lot of lighting, which I really love. That's one thing I really loved about this house. The one of the striking things is the lighting, and the finishing also is nice. And I would like to also tell you that it's not like a brand new house. So somebody used to live here before, they moved out maybe like 4 months before we got to see it, and a lot of renovations had been done. Right, so now going into this side, we have the common toilet right over there. And by just getting here, just looking at it, you can see it was well thought out. There's the sink there, a mirror, a rail to hold towels and things like that. Then that's, like I mentioned, it's a common toilet. One thing I've realized about the bathrooms in this house is that it's a toilet plus bathroom, right? So that's how it is, a toilet plus bathroom and a sink. And as you get out and move along the corridor, we get to the kids' bedroom, which was just an automatic thought. When we got here, it was like, this is a kids' bedroom. They also have a really spacious storage cabinet, storage wardrobes, and all that. And they also have their own bathroom, which was a huge plus for me, because the kids having their own bathroom is going to instill some sense of discipline. They, at some point when they are older, they'll be taking care of their room, all right? And learning how to take care of a bathroom is one thing, all right? So I was really happy about this. Yeah, and I'm so grateful. And then as you move along, there's that green door which goes into the garage. That's the door you saw at the beginning of the video. So this connects to that garage from inside the house, so no one can get in from outside. You have to go through inside the house. And this is the last bedroom. It's a 3-bedroom house. This is the last bedroom, which I am still thinking of what I will do with it. I normally do most of my work from here. Currently I'm using my son's desk. I will show you in a photo, and that's what I'm currently using to work, because I'm working from home at the moment because I have a newborn and I have an arrangement to work from home. Yeah, so that's the entire house. I hope you like it. We love it. For us, we really, really love it. The outdoor is so spacious. We have great neighbors. The air is just beautiful. So amazing. So in our next video, you will see our moving vlog. This is the snippet. We bought curtains. Our carpet is there. And just getting into this house the first time with our stuff, it was magical. All right, so stay tuned, subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.